Quebec City is a place that makes you feel like you've stepped into Europe without ever leaving North America. This time, I came for a conference in the summer, and I was reminded why I love it so much. The chance to practice French, the historic charm around every corner, and the beautiful scenery are always major draws for me. It's lively yet laid back, with street performers, some nice regional cuisine, and cozy cafes to sit with a pastry. I don't usually do bus tours, but the hop-on, hop-off option was really convenient for getting a lay of the land without a car, and I used the public buses via an app, which was great. If you're looking for a destination that feels international but is convenient and easy, Quebec City is a great choice. For a peek at where I stayed in Quebec, check out my accommodation tricks video next. That's the type of guidance that I provide inside our TOOLKIT membership, where I share travel tools for finding deals and planning smarter, even in places where language or logistics might feel unfamiliar. Take a look at the links below to check that out.